Hello, Pookie Bears. I'm Leonie Dawson. I'm so excited to talk to you about my new workshop, all about marketing without social media. It has just started raining here at my acreage, so you might hear that. I'm sitting next to my veggie pod, inspecting how my herbs are growing. The more you watch them, the faster they grow. That's how it works, right? Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about this new course in case you're wondering, what is this about? So, if you know me already, you'll know that one, am a kooky bugger. I fucking love it. Two, you know that you should only join my courses if you like kooky people and if you love swearing, because you're in the right place. If you don't like that stuff, quick, back away right now, run away. If you want your learning experiences to be boring and beige, then run, because you're in the wrong place, babes. That's what the rest of the internet's for. Anyway, I am an internationally best-selling author with my books being used by over 400,000 people worldwide, which is amazing. And I've brought in over $11 million online and done it while only working 10 hours a week because I'm a mum, first and foremost. I've got other things to do with my life, including enjoy it. Yay! And here's the thing, even though I've got an online business, my businesses are no longer on social media, and I've shared my journey with coming back away from social media, and my business is doing better than ever, and it feels amazing. And here's the thing, when I started sharing about my journey with this, so many people were like, can you please tell me how to do that? Because my heart is hurting, my soul is crushed. This is not the way that I want to spend my life. So I'm creating this mini workshop for you because I've seen how much it has deeply healed my brain, my creativity, my soul, my life, all the things that I've wanted. It's returned to me in the most beautiful ways since I've left social media, both personally and in a business sense. So I am going to give you all the tools and resources in order to be able to succeed with marketing your business without social media. Because here's the thing, right? One, I kind of think social media is the biggest scam of our decade. It takes so much time from billions of people's lives, hours and hours every single day, and has crushing effects on our mental health and our creativity and our physical health, our public health, our democracy, all the things. It's only a recent invention, and yet all the research so far is like, oh, this actually wasn't a good one. Like, I can completely attest to that. Is it hailing? Bless. We have been blessed by the rain gods. Anyway, I know that so many of us feel afraid of, marketing outside of social media. We feel like we have to be on. And yet, here's the thing, like two things. First and foremost, businesses have been around and growing and marketing since the beginning of time. Social media's only been around the last 10 years or so. So social media is not responsible for the creation of businesses or the marketing of businesses. It is just one option out of thousands of marketing options. And here's the thing, we don't feel like it is compulsory to do any other of the marketing options. So I just think it's a massive scam that we all think we have to do social media marketing in order to succeed in our businesses. And it's just not true. And you know why this is a scam, right? It's because the social media marketing companies, they're making so much money from us. So much money. And they're stealing our lives and they're stealing our memories. They literally are. We're spending on average a day 2.5 hours a day for the average American, if not more. If you go check on your phone, how often you use social media, you'll notice it's like a part-time job just to mindlessly scroll through everyone's bullshit. Secondly, it actually literally steals our memories from us. It stops our ability to create short-term memories. That's why you can't remember anything anymore. And therefore, it stops us from being able to form long-term memories. It's actually stopping us from being able to live our lives. That sucks. That's bullshit. I am firmly against it. So I am making this masterclass so that you feel completely empowered to be able to start marketing without social media. And here's the thing, even if you stay on social media, that's totally fine. But it's really important to start adding in other marketing tools into their marketing methods, diversifying your traffic sources. And I'm also going to give you some awesome tips and guidance in order to help you reduce the amount of time that you spend on social media, and some smart strategies if you are going to stay on social media to reduce your time on there and yet have the same amount of results. So we're talking about you having to spend less time and less money on social media if you decide to stay on there. Now, you may be feeling completely freaked out about the idea of leaving social media. That's completely fine. We're going to go gently. I am going to show you like all of the options that are available to you. And if you can start adding those in there, that's great. I'm also going to give you a completely risk-free kind of like exit strategy so that you don't have to like just stop social media marketing right now for your business. You can actually like do a plan to help you get out of there and do it in a way that is not going to negatively affect your business or your income. So I want you to know, like, I'm not somebody who loves risk. I'm quite risk adverse despite the personality. And so we're going to create a beautiful strategy. I'm also going to take you through 150 plus ways that you can market your business outside of social media. And here's the thing I want you to know. I've sold over $11 million online. A very small amount of that has come from social media. The rest has come from other marketing strategies. So I'm going to take you through those. I'm going to take you through the things that have made me the most amount of impact. I'm going to talk about how I've created a big following outside of social media, how I've been able to create a business that's sustainable. Because here's the thing, if you build your business on social media platforms, you are completely at the whims of the social media company. They can change their algorithms, they can lock you out of your account, they can close down at any time, or they can just become redundant. They can just make an absolute shit show of your business, and it's not something that you own, which so super sucks. It's not a clever or sustainable way to build your business. There are better and there are smarter ways to market your business. So we're going to go through all of that. I'm going to take you through like a simple yet powerful 2-page marketing plan, which I have used again and again and again and again and again in order to bring in $11 million with really high profit margins. We're going to talk about how to build a large and profitable mailing list, because that is something that you own. That is something that you can sell your business on if you ever decide to sell your business. That is your asset, and that is the thing that is going to make your business the most amount of money out of everything. I'm going to take you through my marketing plan. I'm going to take you through 42 reasons why you should consider leaving social media or limiting the impact of social media on your life and on your business. And we're going to talk about social media free ways to increase your sales, grow your audience, grow your money without you having to spend your life being sucked into something which sucks. If you've got any questions, please let us know, but make sure you sign up below. We're starting real soon, and I would love to see you in there, and let's create a new beautiful future for ourselves and a sustainable business and a sustainable marketing strategy that doesn't cost our lives, our memory, our inner peace, our creativity, our health, everything. It should not and cannot cost that amount. I'm sending you so much love. Let's do this.